नमस्कार. आजच्या आपल्या पॉडकास्ट सिरीजमध्ये आपले सर्वांचे सहर्ष स्वागत. तुम्हाला माहीतच आहे की इंजिनिअरिंग एज्युकेशन हे एव्हरी डिकेड्स चेंज होत चाललेलं आहे. पण आता रिसेंट लास्ट 20 इयर्स किंवा 10 इयर्सचा ग्राफ बघता हे एव्हरी 4 to 5 years इट इज गोइंग टू बी चेंज. न्यू ट्रेंड्स आर कमिंग इन मार्केट लाईक मशीन लर्निंग, artificial intelligence, creative skills. So many things which are coming in the market. So future of engineering education is going to be changed. And apart from regular academics or syllabus, industries are expecting something more than that as well. तर या सगळ्या गोष्टींची उकल करण्यासाठी आज आपल्या पॉडकास्ट सिरीजमध्ये व्यंकटेश मुंडे सर हे आपल्याबरोबर आहेत. तर नमस्कार.
नमस्कार
सर हे MIT कॉलेज ऑफ रेल्वे इंजिनिअरिंग अँड रिसर्चमध्ये अकॅडमिक्स डीन आहेत. त्यामुळे आपल्याला सरांकडून हे जे काही वेगवेगळे विद्यार्थ्यांना माइंडमध्ये असणारे प्रश्न आहेत हे आपण त्यांच्याकडून जाणून घेणार आहोत. सर, आज जर पाहिलं तर ऑफकोर्स जसं मी म्हटलं की नवीन ट्रेंड्स किंवा नवीन एक्सपेक्टेशन इंडस्ट्रीचे वाढत आहेत आणि त्यामध्येच आत्ताचा जो मोस्टली एक्सपेक्टेशन्स आहेत की प्रत्येक ब्रँचनुसार नवीन स्किल्स इंडस्ट्रीज आर एक्सपेक्टिंग. तर हे इंजिनिअरिंगचं फ्युचर ऑफ एज्युकेशन काय एक्झॅक्टली असणार आहे?
सर नमस्कार. सर्वप्रथम आपल्याला हे समजून घेतलं पाहिजे की जग हे एक छोटंसं खेडं झालेलं आहे आणि सुरुवातीच्या काळामध्ये म्हणजे साधारणपणे दुसऱ्या महायुद्धानंतर की there are very limited sources they can manufacture the goods and they are manufacturing according to their strategy product. There is no choice for the buyers. Whatever they are going to manufacture, we have to purchase it. Now the trend is changed. Now it is a buyer's market. Means industry they are going to manufacture the products or the goods those who satisfy the requirements of the customers.
True.
And to fulfill that requirements, a huge competition is coming, and that's why the new trends like artificial intelligence, big data, data science, machine learning, these are the new trends are arises in the industry so that they can fulfill the requirements of the industry. Now to fulfill the requirements of the industry due to the industry 4.0, one international organization they decided that we have to set one platform so that from any part of the world the engineer can work on a same platform. So in 1989 that resolution is passed by the Indian government and from 2014 it is implemented in engineering education in India. What is that? So we have to accredit the engineering colleges according to the norms of the Washington Accords. Means everything is calibrated as per the norms of that Washington Accords.
True. So do you think that by this implementation indirectly it will be useful for the industries or only this will be an additional burden on the students?
No, not exactly. It is not the additional burden of the students. It is useful for the students. Student must be ready 24/7.
Right.
He must satisfy the requirements of the
customers.
What happens? Initially, when engineering institute starts, that there is a very limitation scope for the students. Means there is a very tough competition to get the admission in the engineering institutes.
Right.
So only theoretical marks, practical marks, and one interview they can easily place. Now industry is not interested to occupy these students. Industry needs the ready-made products who satisfy their requirements. Means we have to, the institute also ready to change their curriculum so that the product which is come out from their institutes must be ready to serve the industry.
Right. So you mean to say that skill is required?
Yes, highly skill is required, and he or she must get the knowledge from the institute as well as the platform available in the universe.
Right. Now, so you mean to say that skill-based learning, other than regular academics, it is required.
Okay.
So, but how it is exactly matched with the regular academics and the implementation of the same?
Okay. So the institute like a National Board of Accreditation, when they come in for the accreditations of the institutes, they are not going to check the what exactly happens in the institute within that framework. Means the syllabus is given by the universities, institutes conduct the syllabus. That is, they are not interested in that concept.
Right.
Actually, the academic is completed by means of the curriculum, curriculum and extracurricular activities. Means exactly what is going on right now in the industry, the syllabus designed by the institutes like universities, they are not going to match. We have to match that, we
Right,
have to
right,
bridge the
right.
gap. So how to bridge? That is the skill of the institutes, and
Right.
that skill must be acquired by
By
the
the inst-
by the
right,
students, and that skill must be provided by the institutes.
Okay, right. Generally in IITs and NITs, like students, if they are taking admission in computer science or maybe mechanical or civil, they are learning subjects from other branch as well.
Yeah.
We call as a major and minor, for
Okay.
example.
Yes, yes.
So similarly, this type of facilities are available in MIT as well. And if it is there, then how it is exactly executed? Because at the end, as you are saying, like this is an additional skill which is really required for the each branch of and each students.
It is a nucleus of the National Education Policy 2022. The students who got admitted in any institute, engineering institute or professional institute, he must get the knowledge of, he must be developed himself or herself 360 degree.
Right.
So that concept of major degree, minor degree, honor degree, that is arises from that National Education Policy. For example, one student get admitted in mechanical engineering. Once he completed his course, he get the degree of mechanical engineering. But when he reached to the second year, the provision of a minor degree started from that second year. Means he is ready to, he is interested to take the course of other branches available in that institute like civil engineering, computer science and engineering, electronics and telecommunication engineering, etc., etc. Every semester he has to give the one paper, one subject of that minor degree, which is other than the mechanical engineering. And in the last semester, he has to perform one project also of that minor subject.
Right.
Means
Right.
at the end of 8th semester, he is awarded by major degree, that is a mechanical engineering,
Of course.
minor degree, suppose computer engineering. What is the benefit of that? Suppose there is one industry who is working on both the combination or hybrid mode, mechanical as well as the computer. Now, then he has a bright future to work in that industry.
Right. So
That is the
indirectly-
concept behind that major degree and minor degree.
So he is learning major technical skill plus additional supporting skill which come from the other branches.
Other branches also.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, sir, my next question, please share some additional insights on other than this regular academic skill.
Okay.
Which are the additional skills which are required for the students?
Sir, when that apex body like the National Board of Accreditation arises, the few concepts are coming within that curriculum. Apart from the curriculum, what you are going to do? So that, and also the government, central government, they started some schemes like a skill development. What is the motto behind that? Apart from the curriculum, the students must involve themselves creating some ideas that will fulfill the needs. They work in the startups. They can ready for the startup. Not only they are interested to work for the industry, they also work for themselves and give the opportunity to others to work in their industries. For that, startups, hackathons, these schemes are started in institutes and we are motivating the students. And one more interesting thing in that startups and that hackathons, the students from different disciplines, they come together.
Correct.
And they generate their idea, they put their idea on the different platforms. If it is accepted, then he will be rewarded. This idea must be accepted by some industries and he will be motivated to work more on that concept.
Correct. So indirectly teamwork can be done.
Yeah.
And multidisciplinary as well.
And yes.
That is possible. Now, we are talking about the internal institution only.
Okay.
Now, my next question will be, how internship will support
Okay.
as an external industries for these colleges, for the students to acquire the new skills?
Actually, sir, all the universities, our MIT College of Railway Engineering Research is affiliated to the Solapur University. Students, they have to spend 3.5 years in the institutes. Last 6 months, they go for the internship. What is the concept behind that internships? We have to approach to the industry. We have to work there for 6 months. If possible, we have to understand the system or that pipeline in that industry. If you feel there is a chance to make improvement in that pipeline, we can. Otherwise, industry get a worker who knows their systems
Right.
within that 6 months. Students also get some projects, small projects when they are working in the industries.
Industries.
Suppose industry feels, okay, this project is very good for the industry, because industry are never going to change their line. If he feels, if I accept this project or his idea, maybe our rate of production will be increased, our cost of production will be decreased. In that way, there is a benefit for the students. The students will cope up with the environment of the industry. Also, the industry will get the smart people, those who can serve the industry for a long time.
Right.
That is the concept behind that internships.
Internships.
Yeah.
So in our MIT also we are sending the students for
Yes, sir.
minimum 6 months in industry
Yes.
itself.
It is a compulsory for all students. They work in the industry, and at the end of their semester, they have to provide or they have to submit one small project report, whatever they work in the industry for 6 months.
Okay. Now since Corona, like 19, maybe 2020, 21, most of the skills students are learning by the digitalization or by digital methods itself.
Okay.
So how it is useful for the students as well as industry? Or what are the exactly additional digital skills need to be learned by the students? And how it is, means what type of facilities which are created under the colleges as well?
Sir, when the corona, it is a big impact on the whole world. Whole world
Right.
is stopped. Now, we are using, or at that time, all the institute using the social media platform for the teaching learning process. Now it is a continue. What I am suggested, it is a very good platform for the industry. Now documentation is a very lengthy process.
Right.
So we can complete the documentation within a limited period with the help of some advanced tools which is available.
Correct.
And that is, if you have a skill, you can go with that additional skills. You complete the documentation, and within a limited time of a period, you can present your idea. It is a benefited for the students. Also, it is a benefited for the institutes. Also, it is a benefited for the industry.
Industry, that's
With the help of that digital platform, we can reach within a second to, we can cover a maximum
number of
number of listeners with that help of digital media.
medias.
Yeah,
Right. So students are getting benefit of the same.
100%.
And so indirectly we are implementing similar system in our college.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir. You have been given very good insights about this future of engineering education as well as the skill-based learning. Thanks for coming and attending this podcast, and I'm sure ki, the audience also will like the same. And in future also, if you are also feeling like some additional insights are required on the skill base or the how exactly future is moving, you can visit the MIT College of Railway Engineering and Research Barsha campus. You meet to the Mundhe sir and their team. You have a discussion with them, and you will get lots of idea about the same. Thank you. Thanks for watching our podcast. If you like the same, similar line of content, etc., you can share with your friends as well. And do subscribe our MITCORER YouTube channel. Thank you.